magnificent. So Eric, what was that you did when you?
My first Scandinavian flick.
You did nice. You look just like Ronald Altonen
before in this car.
Yeah, that was very nice. All right, this is great. Have a good one. Well, safe driving.
Yep. Kyle, you ready to roll? Let's go eat donuts.
All right. Donuts. Yeah, no. Woohoo.